welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. And for the world's best subscribers, hi guys! Hey everybody! It's Friday. That's how I feel. Thank God it's Friday. I don't know. This week was just up and down for me. Up and down. I don't know. Was it like that for you guys? Because it really was for me. And I went through so many emotions this week, but I pulled through and it's done. It's the weekend. I'm very excited that it is the weekend. So, I don't know what I'm going to call this video. So we'll have to wait and see. It's a video. I wanted to do this video first and foremost for two reasons. For one, because I know many people out there are loving the coastal theme, and are also loving the lemon theme. But not all of us can do it. Can you hear her? Yeah, she's here. Not all of us can do it on a huge budget, and I am one of those people. I cannot at the moment spend a lot of money buying brand new home decor. Now keep that in mind. I do shop still, so it's not like I don't spend at all. I do spend, but I don't spend what I would like to spend or what I need to spend to make over my entire house, because it's just not gonna happen right now. So I came up with ideas on how you can take your home with minimal stuff, like very small, inexpensive things, like for instance, redoing a coffee table or changing out your pillows or whatever. And then you can have the look you want. So I'm gonna show you two looks to my living room. Excuse my nails. This means that I am nervous. When I start biting oh, I know this is horrible, but I'll just tell you. So if you ever see it again, you're probably thinking, what's going on with her? When I get nervous, I start with my thumb, and then I go onto this finger, and then I move my way down on that hand, and then I start on this hand. So that's how I ruin my nails. That's how I ruin my nail polish. But, okay, back to the video. Back to decorating. I know, it's so random. Sometimes I think I have ADD. Okay, guys. So, as I was saying, I'm going to show you two looks of my living room. One is the first one. It's all done in yellows for the lemon theme, because I love that theme. And you know that I've done it completely in my kitchen. And then the second look is coastal. Coastal, nautical, whatever you want to call it. I love this theme. I absolutely love this idea. Next year, I'm already collecting stuff for next year, next summer. Next summer, I will do coastal, 100%. So let's get started on the video. I want to show you the yellow theme that I have going on in my living room right now. And I'll just show you around real slowly. It's what I have for a yellow theme part here, and then you could see the yellow theme also in the kitchen. But I'm gonna pan in a little closer and just show you a few things. So I have these gray and yellow pillows styled here on my couch. And you can see them there better. I've had these pillows for a long time. There you can see the pillows. I was just sitting there actually. And then this is my coffee table styled in the yellow theme. It's real simple. It's real simple. It's just two candle holders in a wicker basket, and I got a little tea towel. Actually, it's a napkin, a little wreath, and a little clock. And then if you look over here, I just have my little yellow lantern that I made. Now, I didn't change out my bookcases. I've actually really had to pare them down. I just have this basket here with a whole bunch of pillows, and then this little yellow arrangement, and that's it really. And then the shelves remain the same. And then here I have this antique chair, which I'm gonna do a whole video on it, how I transform this chair. And then I love this pillow. It just gives me the right pop. And then this arrangement here. So there you can, I'm just gonna pan around, you can see it again. And it's really simple, there's not much to it, but it totally gives you that yellow vibe. I'm sorry for the lighting, I guess it's a little, cause it's bright in here today. The sun's out, well, it's kind of in and out. So that's my yellow theme. And I think it gives you a good look of what I did for yellow. Now let's transform this into a summer coastal decor using very minimal things. Okay, so this is a view of the room when I changed it over to nautical. The shelves are still the same. I'm gonna go step by step and show you what I changed and what I kept. Okay, so we're gonna start here with this little vignette. You guys have seen the DIY, so I put the DIY and I changed out my candles, and then I added one of these little tiny porcelain clay things that I found at Dollar Tree. It was originally gold, but I changed it to cream. And here's the couch. This is what I changed out. I changed out all the pillows. You can see it here. There you go. And I also changed out my coffee table, and I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about that. I changed out these candle holders. I styled the coffee table completely different, actually. I got this little leaf tray, platter, whatever you want to call it. I put some nautical theme balls or orbs, some seashells, and that greenery that I got at the dollar store that I really think looks like seaweed. And then this DIY we did together, and I just actually added the nautical rope to the top of it, and you can see it there. And then I just put two little books, a little mercury glass bird, love that bird, and my beads that I made, and my mandatory Bath and Body Works candle. So let me pan back so you can see the couch a little bit better. I love it. I think it gives that nautical look. There you go. And it still ties in. I know you can see my kitchen lemon theme in the back. Another thing I did, and here between my windows, I just added this little wrought iron thing that I had bought recently at, I think I got it at Home Goods. And I just added this little nautical wreath that I got at Pier 1. I don't know if you remember, but I got this on like a super, super clearance. I think it was no more than $16. So I wanted to use that also. So that's another thing that I added. And here on my little side table is that DIY we did together. You guys remember this? Everybody seemed to really like this, and I think this is still my favorite DIY. And I just added these two little things here that I actually recently hauled these. I think they remind me of, I don't know why, but they remind me of the beach. Okay, let me show you the fireplace now. Okay, and my fireplace, it didn't do much. I had these two tealy blue candle holders. I just put some moss balls on top. Actually, these moss balls, if anyone's interested, or greenery balls, I found them at the dollar store, and they were only $3. So there's a closer look of the candle holders if you wanted to see. And then here, I just changed out this arrangement from all the yellow to the white. So I think it looks really good now, and it ties in real nice. I'm gonna pan back so you can see it in its entirety. So there you go, so there's that. And then on my chair here, I changed out the pillow to this blue. It's blue. It's like a very, very pale blue pillow with some sparkle in it, but it's really nice. Actually, the camera's showing way more sparkle than it is. It's more blue than gray. I think it's reading gray on the camera. And then here, just the vase with just some plain greenery. I love pussy willows. I love those. I got these at the dollar store. Look how realistic these ones look. They're really quite nice. And the greenery is from the dollar store. And then that little thing there is just from Dollar Tree. And that's it. So I'm gonna give you a look all around again so you can see it. Okay, I just want to give you a final look. And I also want to mention something for those who might ask, may or may not ask. Everything that you pretty much see here, including these tealy blue glass vases and candle holders, I had them. I've had them for years. You can go back and look at old videos. I'm sure I've styled them in another summer tour because I do use them in the summer. And I love my paintings because they actually are supposed to depict water. I know that they read a little bit pink on camera. I don't know why. They've always done that, and they're really not. They're white in person. But here's a look. So I love my little nautical theme look that I did on a very, very small budget, guys. I really, really, really truthfully shopped my house. Other than all the pillows I had, the candle holders are new from Hobby Lobby. Everything else you see on the coffee table, the exception of that DIY, that was a thrift store find. The pillows I all had, the throws I all had, that wrought iron gate thing on the wall art in the wreath, that is new. And what else is new? And the other new thing is this starfish lantern, which also, this was a fantastic buy. This was one of those clearance things from Pier 1 that I've hauled that in a video. But there you can see the last vignette. And of course, real life, Angela's sweater. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a look of what I did. And that is it. And I think it turned out really, really cute. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Please make sure you give this video a big, big, big thumbs up. Like, comment, and share. You already know I love your comments, so that's a given. Now, I always, always welcome you into my home. I love having you guys come over. I feel like I have my girlfriends over, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I have the world's best subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you have an amazing, amazing, amazing Memorial Day weekend. If you're in the US, if you're in Canada, enjoy your weekend. If you're anywhere else in the world, I have Ireland, Scotland, England, Australia, Greece. What else do I have? I'm all over the world. I love it. I absolutely, Norway. Yes, Norway. I love it. Thank you so much. From my home to yours. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Have an amazing weekend. And I will see you in the next one. Wait, no. Okay, so here's my thing, guys. I might not see you on Monday. I might not see you on Tuesday, and I might not see you on Wednesday. I might only see you on Fridays. I gotta pack. You know I gotta pack, and my house is full of stuff. And I also, there's so much to do. There is so much to do. So I'm gonna try and pare my videos down to one a week. I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I will totally miss you. But in saying that, we will do some lives. Because, you know I gotta have coffee talk with my girls, right? Okay, I hope you have an amazing weekend. That is the end of my video. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. Love you guys.